We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. Today we're going to review the OKI MB562. We'll be conducting 4 comprehensive tests to evaluate its performance. A pages per minute test, a mono darkness and font test, overview of the printer's features, and a scan test using the glass and automatic document feeder, or ADF. Then we will give the printer an Onyx score. Let's start things off with the pages per minute test. We'll have the printer push out as many pages as it can in 1 minute. Impressive! This printer managed to print 45 pages in just 1 minute, which makes it the best among its competitors. Next up is the mono darkness and font test. We'll print a test page with a variety of font sizes and colors to assess the printer's true performance. As you can see, the printer's color darkness is decent and it handles different font sizes nicely. Now let's delve into the features of this printer. For those of you who are printer enthusiasts, you'll find more details in the description of this video. This printer is a versatile machine that can print, copy, scan, and fax at a speed of 45 pages per minute. It supports duplex printing and comes with a 530 sheet input tray. It uses one 458-07101 cartridge and one 445-74301 drum, and is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Unix operating systems. It also supports mobile printing and has standard USB and Ethernet connectivity. It comes with a 7-inch color graphic touchscreen, it's Energy Star qualified energy efficiency, and includes a 1-year unit exchange warranty. Our 4th test involves the scanner. We'll start with the scanner glass. The scanner completed the task in 17 seconds, which is not good for this printer. Now, let's move on to the ADF speed test. The ADF completed the task in 9 seconds, which is decent for this printer, and looking at the scanner glass, you'll probably want to do ADF more than scanner since it was a lot faster. Now let's rate the printer with an Onyx score and wrap up with our final thoughts. The OKI MB562 stands as the heaviest duty model, with no immediate need for upgrades due to its sturdy design, capable of handling everyday printing tasks with ease. It offers compatibility with extra trays and a screen size that's perfectly sized. While it may seem a bit confusing at first, users can slowly get the hang of its features over time, making it a great option for both office and demanding work environments. Thank you for joining me for this review, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.